Hi all, welcome back. Today we are going to make a dish called Pazhampori. It's also known as banana fritters. It's very famous in Kerala. I'm pretty sure most of you would have eaten it even if you're not a Malayali. So let's see how to make it. The ingredients are the bananas. It's also known as Nendran bananas. This is rice powder, 2 tablespoons of this. This is atta, 1 cup of atta. This is the cup I used to measure it. It's a 250 ml cup. 2 tablespoons of sugar and a couple of pinches of salt. So now we take a bowl. First you put in the atta. Then add the rice powder. Remember, it's 1 cup atta, 2 tablespoons rice powder, 2 tablespoons sugar. Now if the banana is not too ripe, then maybe you can add 1 more or a couple more tablespoons of sugar. Because the bananas that we are taking now are too ripe, I'll be taking only 2 tablespoons of sugar. Take 2 pinches of salt. It's always advisable that whenever you are making a sweet dish, add a pinch of salt also into it. Now give it a good stir. You can just use a normal spatula also to mix it. Now is the time to add the water. First, let's start with 1 cup of water. As I said, this cup is 250 ml cup. So let's start with 1 cup of water. This is the consistency. It is not too thin, not too thick. Now moving on to how to peel the banana and slice it. So this, as I said, is Nendran bananas. You will get it in Big Basket or in any kind of local vegetable shops as well, especially Malayali shops. Definitely you'll get these kind of bananas there. So let's peel this. I prefer to always cut it into half first and then I slice it in such a way that it's not thick. So when I do so, from each half I get at least 4 pieces. Not at least, it's maximum 4 pieces. Take a little of the batter just a little, that's enough, and put it into the oil like a drop. Yes, the oil is heated up because it has risen up, the batter. So now let's place each of these bananas with enough of the batter on them into the oil. Pazhampori. I assure you, it's a super yummy snack. Be it only for the kids or even for us also. It's a very yummy snack. Do give it a try, and I'm getting all your feedbacks, all your suggestions. I'm making a list of all the suggestions that you're giving me to do more tutorials on. I definitely assure you we'll come up with more soon. Bye bye.